In OP244 and 345, we um, use matrix cluster, which is a Red Hat Linux cluster, um, to submit your assignments, compile our codes, so we can demonstrate multi-platform programming, where you run your program either on Windows or Mac and then move it to Matrix on Linux, and you will see that everything is supposed to get compiled properly everywhere. And then through Matrix, we're going to submit our assignments to our professor. Because of that, we need to connect and have a terminal client to connect with through command line to Linux. Um, Putty is a fully featured, very lightweight client, so we recommend you to install that one and use it. It not only installs Putty, but installs something else that you need for your SSH creation, that is PuttyGen, which we're going to use that in next stages of our setting up. So you can either Google Putty download or click on the Putty link on assignment 0 and choose the proper CPU that you have on your computer, which is a 64-bit 86. That's mine. I'm going to run that one, save and run it. After download, I'm going to execute it. And after the execution, I'll just click on next and keep going and complete the installation. And there we go. So now we have Putty installed now. Putty, I'm going to add it to my taskbar so I can run it comfortably over here and quickly. So I'm going to run Putty to see how we can set it up. The very first thing you need to do, you need to put your host name over here. I usually make mistake over here. Let's not do it. Let's not make the mistake again. So I'm going to go matrix.seneca polytechnic.ca. It's going to be an SSH. Also, we are going to go to data, and in data you're going to put an auto login username so you don't have to keep writing your username. My username is farda.soleimanlu, so I'm going to put that one, and I'm going to come over here into session, type matrix, and save it. So it's now saved under matrix, and anytime I click on matrix, this setup will come up. Now I'm going to open it, and when you open, Putty is going to come up. If the font is too small, you can always go to settings. Oh, I am not connected to global client, so let me actually connect to that one first before I log in. That's a good thing that that happened. So first we have to connect to the VPN. Let me just connect to VPN for a moment and connect. There we go. Because Matrix is within the firewall of Seneca, you have to connect through VPN to be able to access, connect through Putty. So I'm going to open Putty, double click on Matrix over here, and then it's going to ask me to accept the SSH key. And now, as you see, it automatically adds my name over here. So all I need to do is to add the password. So I'm going to add password as my password, and log into Matrix, and everything is set up. Now, if the font is too small for you, you can always go to settings, to change settings, and appearance and font over here. I usually set it to something like 14 and bold so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and apply. Now it's much better visible. So that's what you need. Step 1, installing Putty. Thank you.